what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, day 25 of Vlogmas, guys, I'm just gonna do something super easy and super basic today. I'm gonna show you guys how I did this look right here using the Tati beauty palette. So if you guys want to see the super easy tutorial, then definitely keep on watching. Guys, I cannot believe we are here, day 25 of Vlogmas, and it is Christmas. Merry Christmas to all those who celebrate. Those who do not celebrate, that's okay. Happy Wednesday. But I am so excited that we've, oh my God, I look so creepy. I'm so excited that we are finally here on day 25. I am so beyond proud of myself for doing Vlogmas. It has been a very, very long journey, a very, very hard journey, but guys, I am so glad that I pushed through and filmed a video every single day. It has been a lot of sacrifice, a lot of personal time sacrifice. I pretty much have not had a life this entire December because I've done nothing but either work at my job or film videos for you guys. And you know what? I love it, but I am kind of looking forward to having like a couple day break. But guess what? I have more beauty products coming in, so I'm like, well, I'll be having more videos come out later this week, so don't even worry. I love doing this job, so I don't mind doing it for you guys. But it's kind of nice not to put a video out every day, kind of go back to like 3 or 4 days. But you know me, I love doing this. So I know my eyes look a little crazy right now because I am trying out this new technique where you guys use Scotch tape. You guys see me do like a little insert to blend my shadow out onto, but I actually have Scotch tape because I had some Christmas presents to wrap. So I thought I'd try it out, and I believe I'm not doing it correctly. I don't know how to do this personally, and I look really silly right now and I can't stop staring at my eyes. So yeah, this look is gonna be super easy. You guys can make your own interpretation of it, but I wanted to create a really beautiful Christmas look. I am wearing my Dawson hoodie right here, and I'm also wearing my plaid pajamas because I am doing a wonderful holiday Christmas photo with me, Corey, and our puppers. I couldn't find a matching pajama set for our cats and they would not like it. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to take a family photo for you guys. You guys have no idea. So yeah, I want to do something super easy, super basic, something you guys can follow along with. You guys do not have to have the Tati beauty palette right here to create the eye look. You guys can use any sort of palette you guys have, as long as it has like a really beautiful shimmer and like a purplish color. You guys can recreate this look yourself. Also having a red lip, it's super easy, super easy, because I wanted to make it as easy as possible for myself. So as always, you guys know that this is my absolute favorite palette. I've been using this palette non-stop. This look that I did only took like 5 minutes to do in the eyes. Super easy because I wanted to be as easy as possible. So I'm gonna start with this little color right here. This is the glitter in the color Poet. So beautiful. Take it on my finger and always start on the inner corner and work my way outward. Now I know this is not a easy technique for some to follow, but I find that it just works best for me in my eye shape personally. It's why I do it this way. And yes, it does get a little messy, but trust me, that's why I always like to do my foundation after this. This tape though is making my head itch so badly. You guys have no idea. So nice, right? Then we're gonna go into the matte of that. Take it on a brush. Like I said, I only used 2 shadows to create this look, or to do this look. And I'm going to just place it right here. Like I said, you guys do not have to have this palette at all. I know you guys were asking me to find a dupe of the Tati eyeshadow palette. I will try to find one for you guys. I will try to find one for you guys because I know a lot of people weren't able to get their hands on this palette, and so I'll make it like an effort to try to find a dupe so you guys can recreate this look yourself using an exact dupe, probably at an affordable cost too. I'm gonna look for like a drugstore version of it. So pretty. I'm gonna go back into the pressed glitter just to try to blend that out just a little bit so it's not such a harsh line. Tap it on very, very delicately. Go back with what's left over in the brush and just kind of like shimmy back and forth to mix the two together. And what this does when I shimmy back and forth, it actually kind of like makes the pressed glitter just a little bit darker, so it really helps to enhance the color of it. So like it looks like there's like a huge transition between the two, but in reality it's just your leftover shadow. But by doing this, you will definitely have some fallout on the face, so just be forewarned about that. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. You guys have been so sweet and so kind. You guys have been sending me some beautiful DMs on my Instagram. I've tried to respond back to every single one of you guys. You guys are so amazing. You guys have truly made this year special for me, and I cannot wait to do my end of the year special video. I'm really excited for it. It's gonna take me like a couple of days to edit, so I actually am gonna start editing that video right after Christmas so that I could have it out for you guys next week before the new year, because it's like a end of the year video, and oh my god, I'm so excited for it. It's just gonna take a lot of work to do. God, that just goes on so freaking easily. All right, now that that is kind of complete, I'm gonna go in with Aura right here, very, very lightly, like tap off so much, and just lightly place it right over here, right on the brow bone, ever so slightly. And yes, I do kind of get up close to my eyes. Not that I can't see, but sometimes the beauty lights like really like block, I feel like, the full effect of the mirror. So sometimes I have to like put these like really, really up close to my face just so I can like really see what I'm doing. Now for the under eye, I could do the magical moment. Oh, this is in my hair. Ow, ow. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that came out really nice. That is nice. All right, so I'm gonna go into this little sparkly guy right here. This is the sequin section. Take it on this brush, dust it off, and just do like a light little under the eye, very, very lightly. So for the next step, I'll be putting on my lashes. I'm going to be wearing the Amore lashes from Alter Ego. I freaking love these lashes. They're only $7, and I do have a code. It's code Allie10, which will save you guys 10% off your purchase. And then I'm going to do my foundation. Everything I'm going to be doing next is just very simple, what I do in every single makeup look. So I'm going to let this part be your interpretation of how you guys want to do your foundation, your concealer, your setting powder, your bronzer, your blush, your highlight. That's going to be all up to you. I just wanted to show the really, really easy basic eye step. And then for lips, I am going to be putting on my Lunar Beauty Liquid Lip because I think that is such a gorgeous lip. I'll be doing a black eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner because I think it's such a fantastic eyeliner. And I just wanted to like show you guys how to do this. I want to keep this video very short and sweet because I know you guys are out there celebrating Christmas, as am I, and I want to just make it just a quick little tutorial for you guys. So I'll be right on back, guys. Alright guys, and this is the final look. Like I said, I put Lunar Beauty on my lip. I put the Jaclyn Hill Loose Setting Powder as a highlight, and then I put the Moonlight, like the little beamy moonlights in the inner corner on the brow bone. I did go in with my Alter Ego Amore lashes. Freaking love these lashes. I went with my Perversion eyeliner, and then I just did my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation along with my Cover FX Mattifying Setting Powder. Legit, this is such a really, really easy tutorial. I feel like the biggest thing you gotta focus on is just the eyes. Other than that, you could do everything that you see fit for yourself, what works best for you. And I just want to show you guys a really quick, easy holiday tutorial look that you guys can wear today for Christmas or any other event that you guys want to go to. I feel like it's a really beautiful lip, and the eye look is so easy to create. It's literally just two shadows on the eyes. Like, that is what's so insane. Tati did such a beautiful, beautiful job, and I really love that palette. It is my go-to everyday wear palette when I want to have like a really beautiful look, a really like toned down look. Like, I use this palette all the time. You guys already know how much I love this. So yeah, I just want to do a really quick tutorial, guys. You guys had asked me to do this tutorial for you guys when you guys saw my Target gift card giveaway. You guys are like, what is that eye look? What are you wearing? Did you guys film it? Did you film a tutorial? And I was like, no, I didn't, but no, I did. So now you guys know how I did this look. Super easy, super basic, and I want to wish you guys seriously a happy and wonderful Christmas and holiday season. This has been so much fun doing Vlogmas, and I definitely hope to do it again next year. And honestly, guys, just thank you for all the love support you guys have shown me on my channel. It has been a very, very bumpy ride this year for sure. A lot of hits and a lot of misses, and you guys have been there for all of that, and I cannot thank you guys enough. I love you guys. Merry Christmas. And if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is Our Florida Life, where you guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Merry Christmas. Bye. Are you so serious? Okay. Okay. My eyes look so silly right now. It's like so funny. And it's something that's super easy. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna like insert to do a a little bit of, to do, normally do an insert to do a look today. It's making my head itch. So for the next step, I'm actually going to put